So guys, I'm going to explain you a plan where you can make 5 lakh from 50,000 rupees capital, and this will include a full trading plan, and this is real and practical plan. Okay, it's not like you make 5 lakh within 1 or 2 days. It's a real trading plan, and it's very easy to execute, and there is no over trading required to execute this plan. And this trading plan can be traded safely even on stocks as well with a less risk. Okay, so now let me explain you concept of taking profit in splits. Okay, always remember this concept in stock market trading. Whatever segment you're trading on, you can always take your profit in splits. So if you just observe the chart here, the chart here is coming down and going up and coming down and going up. So what do you see here? You always see a zigzag movement in stock market trading. Okay, whether you're trading in equity, future, or anything, there will always be a movement towards upward and downward and upward and downwards. Okay, but you cannot always see a stock moving straight up like this or straight down like this. Okay, so there will be always a zigzag kind of movement. So you have to always take a split and exit. Okay, it's not that you invest 1 lakh or 50,000 here and you wait for the stock to go up and then book your profit. So it does not work like that. Okay, so buy it here and exit here, buy it here and exit here. Always keep your target very, very small and safe and exit from there. Okay, even if you're a long-term trader, don't invest your money in one stock for whole year or whole long time. Just don't hold it for a long time. Book a bit of a profit and exit and look for other opportunity. Okay, now I'll explain you the safer ways to keep the target and how you can execute this plan. Okay, so always keep safer targets in the trade what you're doing and follow the discipline in intraday trading. The maximum safest point target what you can keep is 0.5% or 0.75% of the stock is a safer target. So if you just keep 0.5% or 0.75% of the stock as a target, you can achieve this kind of profit. Okay, so if you just take up to 80 to 100 trades, I'm not telling about the days. If you take 80 to 100 trades, then you'll be able to make up to 10x of your capital by compounding method and just by spending 2 trades per day, not more than that. You don't have to do over trading. You just have to do 2 trades per day. And if you follow my method of strategy, what I'm using, just by spending 15 to 20 minutes per day, you can make one single sure short call and sure short trade per day. Okay, so if you guys want to learn my technique of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. In my course, I'll teach you the way to make consistent profit in intraday trading with unique skills and no indicators. Okay, you can just click on my channel and go inside my channel to watch a lot of daily live trading videos and educational videos, and I will guide you how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. You can just message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn to be a profitable trader and learn how you can execute this plan.